Sweetie, what are you doing up? You should really go back to bed. It's late. It's late, sweetie. Just go back to bed, okay? Come here, cuddle. It's gonna help you sleep. And there you go. What do you have that concerning look on your face? Why are you looking at me like that? Sure, you can ask me a question, sweetie. Okay. Am I a vampire? The answer is yes, sweetie. I'm a vampire. Okay. All right. Go to sleep. Good night. How come I never told you? I don't know, sweetie. I thought it was obvious, you know. I really did. I thought it was really obvious. You never seen me in the sun, right? That's number one. I don't know. We've been living together for 3 years, and I don't eat garlic, and you seen me drink blood several times, and you seen me brush my fangs, so I thought it was really obvious that, you know, I'm a vampire, okay? Why do I have a heartbeat? Sweetie, I have a heartbeat and I sweat. You know, I have these human tendencies, you know. I mean, I'm not full vampire, you know, I'm kind of like a hybrid, you know. My dad's vampire. My dad, Edwards, he's vampire, and my mother, Bella, she's human. So I'm kind of like a hybrid, and I have like the best of both worlds in a way, so yeah, and yeah, there's a whole movie about it. Like, we can watch it together. It's called Twilight, and it'll just explain everything. So don't worry about it too much, okay? All right. Good night, sweetheart. Sweetie. You have a hard time sleeping, don't you? I'm sorry. Just don't worry about it too much, okay? I'm serious. You do not need to worry about it. I remember when I first saw you, I thought that you were the most beautiful girl in the whole world. I really did. I was so shocked and taken aback by your beauty. I remember when I first saw you, I was so nervous because I wanted to come up and talk to you. I was so scared. But you were so beautiful. You were the most prettiest girl I've ever seen, and I knew that if I didn't come up and talk to you, I would regret it for the rest of my life. So I mustered up the courage to come up and talk to you. And as I was As I was walking towards you, my palms were sweaty and my heart was racing. And I came up to you and I said hi. And I remember when I said hi, the look that you gave me. You gave me the most disgusting look ever. Like, how dare this man ever come up to me and talk to me? I'm just kidding. I think you were shocked. But yeah, when I was making small talk with you, I was so nervous. I didn't even know what to say, or I didn't even know what I was saying. But when I asked you out and asked you for your number, I was surprised that you said yes. I think that was like one of the most happiest moments of my life. Okay, sweetie. Alright. You really need to go to bed, okay, my little pookie stick? Okay, my little sweet princess, okay? It's getting late. And you really need to wake up early tomorrow, so, okay? Alright. Good night, my little pumpkin bear. Good night, my little Fuki. Good night, my little princess monkey. Good night, my little gorilla. Good night, my little kangaroo, okay? Okay, I love you so much, okay? Good night. No, sweetie, you're not sleeping. What's wrong? You're hungry. Okay. I can make you some food. We have a lot of stuff in the freezer. I mean, last time we checked, we had pasta, lasagna, Alfredo. Yeah, like these burrito things got chimichangas. We have frozen corn dogs. Those are good. We have frozen hamburgers. Those are also good. We have ice cream, chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, and matcha. You want the lasagna? Yeah. I can make the lasagna for you. Give me 1 second, okay? Give me 1 second. Here you go, sweetie. Here's the food. There you go. Eat up. Let's cuddle. Come cuddle with me. Come on. There you go. You know, you got the most beautiful eyes in the world. I really think your eyes are something special. It's just the way that they sparkle when you talk about something you love. I mean, it's kind of distracting, but I don't mind it too much. And then, who wouldn't get lost in those eyes? I mean, don't let it get to your head, But there's something about your eyes that I love so much. It And when the light just like hits it just right, they glow. Your eyes glow. You have a very unique beauty to them. But I can't help notice it, you know. But you should be really careful though. With eyes like that, you might steal someone's heart without even trying. And your lips. Your lips are absolutely amazing. They're so beautiful. There's something about your lips that just draws me in. When you smile, it lights up the whole room. It really does. And honestly, everything just kind of fades away. And I can't just help feel being so lucky with you here. And when you speak, I can listen to you for hours. Your voice combines with your lips moving. It mesmerizes me. It makes everything you say feel so special. I mean, I just want to let you know that I appreciate you, you know. Your lips are not just beautiful. Your lips also hold like this warmth and kindness to them. And it makes it very comforting to be close to you. I know I don't tell you this enough, but you're amazing inside and out. And your lips are just a part of that. And then your hair. And I just love your hair. And I love brushing your hair behind your ear. Like that. And the hair looks so soft and beautiful. And then I love the way how your hair shines in the light. It just glows and I get lost in it. And your hair just frames your face so perfectly. And then I love running my fingers through your hair. It's so silky and smooth and soft. And when you let your hair down, I'm like, wow. There's a whole brand new side of you that just comes out. And you make beauty look so effortless. And all this just makes up your face, and that's why you got the most beautiful face in the world. You know, every time I see your face, I feel like my whole world is just brighter. Even on bad days, just looking at your face just makes it so much better. And I love watching your expressions change. I do. Whether you're happy, sad, or annoyed, every single emotion that crosses your face is just so captivating. And I don't know if you realize this, but you have a way of making me feel